In this video, I'll be showing you how to turn on contactless payments on Android phone. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to do. Using your phone to pay is handled through the Google Wallet app, which contains your Google Pay cards. And Android has streamlined this process, so you don't even need to open the app to complete a transaction. So what you need to do firstly is enable the NFC. So what you want to do is swipe down on the top right of your screen. It's going to show your control panel, but then swipe down again on these icons, and towards the bottom, you're going to see NFC. If it's turned off, all you want to do is make sure to toggle it on. And then once it's turned on, it should be blue or highlighted. Then what you want to do is set up your card. So you got to go over to the Google Wallet application, or if you can't find it, just go over to Wallet, right? If you can't see it or anything like that, then what you could go ahead and do is go to search on the bottom and then type in wallet, and it's going to look like this. Now, this is a Samsung wallet. So if you want to use a Google Wallet, go to Play Store, and then what we can do is go back and then just type in Google Wallet. So I'm going to go over to Play Store, go to search, and then type in Google Wallet like so. Once you go ahead and install it. Of course, it's completely free and official from Google, and then open it up. Now, it's already detected that I'm logged in, so it's asking if I want to set up a card as a wireless thing. So I can add a different card if I want to, and then press new credit or debit card. Once you go ahead and do that, you can fill in all the details and everything. And when you want to pay in store or anything, ensure your phone is awake and unlocked. Then just hold the back of your phone about an inch away from the contactless symbol on the card reader. You're then going to feel a haptic buzz and see a blue check mark on your screen. So you don't even need to open up the Google Wallet app or anything. Literally just place the back of your phone to the card reader, and it's going to detect you're trying to pay for something. But yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.